everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today what we're going to be doing is we are going to be filming a vampire look. And I'm super excited for this look because I love vampires. And that makes no sense. But I'm obsessed with Vampire Diaries and I know everyone loves Edward and Bella, you know what I'm saying. The Twilight Saga, everybody loves them. So we're gonna go ahead and do a vampire look today. So stay tuned and keep on watching. Okay, so right after you filled in your eyebrows, like you usually would, like go ahead and top them off with some black eyeshadow. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my Lorac palette, and I'm just gonna be using this matte black eyeshadow right there, and I'm just gonna do it over my brows. Just gonna over your brow, just go ahead and sweep. So you can see my eyebrows. Let's go ahead and get started with this foundation now. And yes, dang, my eyebrows look fierce. Sorry, I'm trying to like get a good position so it doesn't cut my head off. Hair out of the way. And that's the purpose of my headband. I want my face to look pretty white and matte. We're gonna get started with our eyeshadow. How about that? And for eyeshadow, I'm gonna be using my Morphe palette. Has a little battle scar here. I'm sorry, honey. Sorry for hurting you. Anyways, so why is my ear trying to talk to you guys? Stop. Go away. Anyways, this is the palette, and start with this shade right here. These two shades right here, and I'm gonna just apply those all over my eye using a wonderful fluffy brush. Using this brush, it's clean, it's just brown. And now I'm gonna go ahead and add, I want to add kind of a grayish, like a brown with sort of a gray tone, not really a rich tone. So for example, this one right here, and mix with these two right here. Right here. And I'm gonna make it go out. Sort of what I'm doing here. You want to create, like, you know how vampires have that really, I haven't slept in years, but really they've slept their whole life. That kind of look. I wish I was a vampire. They just lie, they sleep all freaking day. I hate the sun. I think I was meant to be a vampire. Okay, next I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my other eye. I'm gonna be using this red right here mixed with this one, these two, all over my lid. Get in this way. Next, I'm gonna be using again the dusty brown. This one, these two. Perfect. Now after that, I'm gonna add just a little bit more red. These two colors right here. And just here on the outer corners of our eyes. Okay, so we can have some eyeshadow. Look. And just tap a little bit. the excess shadow. I didn't tap it again, just the excess shadow. Just want to bring it out again. Here. Mixed with this brown, okay? So actually these three right here. Mix them under your eye. Here. A little. I mean, I don't see the difference between me and this makeup. I don't. That's why I wear makeup, to cover what I really look like, you know. Are done with your eyeshadow. We're still not done yet. We're gonna come back, but I want to go ahead and continue the rest of the face and then finish up with the details. So I'm just gonna wipe this extra powder, setting powder off my face. This fantastic contour stick that I bought from Walmart, Wet n Wild. It's actually super good. I love it. I've actually been using it on a regular basis. The darkest color, yeah. Presentation of me at work every morning. Coffee, me. It's right here, and I am going to go with my Morphe palette, and I'm gonna go with this bright orange. You see it? And I'm gonna draw little lines going down, like if they were veins. Okay? So... Wet n Wild eyeliner, okay? So shake it up. Let's see how this goes. I haven't used this eyeliner in a while. Vampires don't wear eyeliner, but this vampire does. Okay? Because this vampire has a night out with her friends. So I'm waking up and I'm ready to go. Really pretty lashes. Went ahead and applied my lashes. I did apply a lash streams. I am gonna be using Kylie's lipstick in the color Rouge, and it's called Vixen. You know, like Christmas. And this is more like a plum color actually. So I'm gonna be, and I'm also gonna be using this red right here, which is a Maybelline. It's a Maybelline 24-hour Super Stay, just a red color. But first I'm gonna go ahead and use this plum on the outside of my lips. Let's go. I'm gonna add this brown from Jordana. It's just sweet green, and it's pretty brown. So. Okay, now I always drop everything, lose everything, can't find anything, run out of everything. Everything just leaves my life all the time. Why can't good things come, you know? JK, I'm grateful. But we're gonna be using this vampire blood next. Oh no, I just realized I forgot my fang. Oh no. Not this one. This brush right here. Very thin brush. want it to be messy. And that doesn't look very messy because it's like, you know, you can get those chunks of blood that will work better. But I don't have that right now, and I'm not going to spend that money right now on that. So, what I like to do is add some brown to the blood to make it look darker and more realistic. Not so much like ketchup. So going in here, I'm going to be using this brown right here and this brown. And I'm going to, this brush, I mean, come on, it's just blood. I'm going to just darken some places. I am going to go over it with a blood again, so it doesn't really matter too much. Sorry, Jesus. And using this red as, sorry, using these two reds as well. And when you're done with your palette, don't forget to like disinfect it either. I know it's just you, but we do put this stuff on our eyelids, and it's important to spray it with some alcohol, you know. Okay, I know that looks a little crazy right now, and not really like blood, but this is the fun part. You just take it and let it drip over the brown. You see how more realistic that looks just because there's a brown shade. Okay, we really wanted to stop that, but we couldn't, so. You know, I just woke up and I'm hungry. Typical me. This is not a costume for me. This is real life.